All right, we are here with John Bustamante. We're in the shade. You can't see the house because it's hot as balls out here in Fresno, California. Holy cow, I think we got like 108 right now. So where did this house come from? Kind of give me the details of what you got.
I got this house from a wholesaler for $200,000 and sell it for maybe about $285, $290.
Not bad.
Yeah,
okay.
not a bad deal.
Yeah.
I just enjoy helping people. You know, this is my passion.
So let's go ahead and take a look at what you're gonna do on the inside, outside, the whole shebang.
Let's do it. So this is the master bedroom. Basically here we're going to scrape and texture the ceilings, replace the light fixture, replace the carpet with new carpet. This thing is pretty bad. There's a lot of dry rot in here. I guess there was a leak for a long time according to the previous homeowner. So we're going to replace some of these girders here, redo the shower. We're going to put a new toilet. We're going to get rid of this flooring here. We're going to put granite here. We're going to paint the cabinets, put new hardware, new hinges, new pools. We're going to replace this light fixture, get rid of this ugly bordering wallpaper. Well, these cabinets are pretty solid actually, and cabinets are pretty costly. So now we're in the kitchen. This kitchen was pretty dated. We demoed the countertops. We're going to start removing the cabinet doors, the hinges, the hardware. We're going to put quartz countertops. We're going to put a drop-down wall mount range hood. We're going to cut this cabinet out so we could actually put in a slide-in range versus a cooktop. And we're just going to paint the cabinets and change the hardware out. We're going to put laminate flooring in here. We're going to put a microwave with a built-in trim kit and paint the kitchen. New fixtures, new light fixtures. So we're opening up this floor plan a little bit. We're going to knock down that wall behind the refrigerator. As soon as somebody walks in, you can see the kitchen. It's going to be a nice kitchen, great neutral color, quartz countertops. Nice backsplash, so hopefully it sells this house. And in the living room here, we're going to get rid of this paneling. We're going to drywall and texture. We're going to scrape and texture these ceilings. We're going to put some new light fixtures. We're going to get rid of this fireplace insert. Typically fireplace inserts have to be regulated by the EPA, and I don't know if this one is, and I'm not going to bother with it. So now we're in the backyard. Backyard has a nice pool. It's a PebbleTech pool, so we're not going to have to plaster it or replaster anything. We'll just pressure wash it and get it filled and test the equipment. It's already gated, so that's a plus. But on the other side, there's a lot of trash, a lot of debris. So now we're in the front of the house. We got some of it painted already. Make sure that the sprinklers work. Make sure the grass gets nice and green. All right, come on in. So we'll start off, we got the red door here. It's kind of a signature of all our properties. We paint all our doors red. For what reason, I don't know. It just looks nice. We got laminate flooring here, painted all the walls, new light fixtures. We tore down a wall here, opened up this kitchen, made it more of an open floor plan. Most people prefer these days, more modern. A lot of modern finishings. You got the white quartz, white subway tile, new appliances, new plumbing fixtures, cabinet hardware. These aren't actually new cabinets, these are just painted, and they actually came out pretty good. We don't typically pay a lot for our light fixtures. We just use the basic ones, but they look nice, and we use the exact same light fixtures in every single property. Yeah, we do use the same flooring in every single property. I forgot what the color is actually, but it's just a standard laminate flooring. So in here, we just painted the walls, changed the light fixture. We always make sure we have carbon monoxide and smoke alarms in every single property where they belong. We got new doors, new door hardware, new windows, new electrical outlet plates and receptacles. In the bathroom, white quartz, new mirror, new light fixture, These sinks are actually from Amazon, so are these faucets. We use these in every single property. Cabinets are painted. Got new cabinet hardware. Redid the tile in the shower. This is the bathroom where we actually had to replace the complete subfloor. So this was all open. We replaced the complete floor. So in this bathroom, we got the white quartz, we got the vessel sinks, vessel faucets, new mirror, new light fixture. And in this tub, we didn't really do anything because this enclosure was already here. So we just basically cleaned it up, you know, it saved a little bit of money. So in the backyard, all we did was basically just clean up the landscaping. It was pretty dense out here, so a lot of the trees are trimmed now. A lot of the brush and shrubbery is gone. We plastered this pool. We didn't initially intend on replastering it, but we had to because when we filled it up, it started cracking. That's pretty much all we did back here.